In this video, I'll guide you through how to purchase a PlayStation Plus subscription on your PS5. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful guides. Let's get started. From your PS5 home screen, navigate all the way to the left and open the PlayStation Plus icon. Once you're there, scroll down and select Sign Up. You'll then see the different PlayStation Plus membership tiers available. Use the left or right bumper on your controller to choose your preferred billing option, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. After selecting your plan, you'll be shown the subscription details. Take a moment to review the information, and if everything looks good, select Accept to continue. Next, you'll be taken to the checkout screen. If you want to update your payment method or apply a discount code, select the three-dot menu and make the necessary changes. Once everything is correct, select Confirm Purchase. Your payment will be processed, and once it's complete, your PlayStation Plus subscription will be activated. That's it. You can now enjoy all the benefits of PlayStation Plus, including online multiplayer, monthly free games, exclusive discounts, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.